You know, DMK is a democracy party. So our leader call all applicants and take personal interview. What is the field situation in that area? They ask and they discuss with all party cadres. So it is every election period, the DMK headquarters conducts the interview, ask all applicant and individual. Special instruction, CM ask in you know that in 5 years Dravida model ruling in that area, how many the plan government people relevant plan reaching the people public, what are the fundamental infrastructure we are made in Namakkal, we are explained. You know, Namakkal is a developed city. In Namakkal, in past 30 years, Namakkal has faced so many issues. In past the ADMK ruling period, they are not settled any problem. All problem on. But our government in 2021, the Talaivar Talabadi Avargal, Talamayil, the ruling government, the DMK government, we settled all problem in Namakkal. Especially in Namakkal, long term issue in Namakkal, it is a bypass, ring road. Namakkal is a corporation city. We now construction Namakkal bypass, so the transport density, transport traffic is now less. So many projects. We are drinking water issue. Honorable Minister here, his area is Rasipuram Constitution. In Rasipuram Constitution, above 800 habitation. You know habitation means small village. We reaching pure Kaveri drinking water, each people. I surely tell in Namakkal is no drinking water issue, no problem. All people in village level habitation, we reaching the drinking water. And when our CM scheme is Kalainar Kanavu Illam. Namakkal have all are concrete houses. No Kudisai Vidigal. No, in Namakkal, Kudisai means in hut. In Namakkal district, no hut. No hut. Yeah, all houses are concrete. These are our achievement. And you know the Namakkal district is bifurcation from Salem districts on 1996. In that period, Namakkal district have now we form separate central cooperative bank. In all over India, in all over Tamil Nadu, after 33 years, you listen, after 33 years, in Namakkal district, we form central cooperative bank, CM issue the orders. We get the approval from Reserve Bank of India. So, we Namakkal district, we all infrastructure we form. So, in Namakkal district is the constitution, like you know, Shandamangalam, Rasipuram and Namakkal. In the time, the TMK and Alliance Party is win.